Ever find yourself putting out fires only for the same problem to keep coming up? The project delays, you are always behind schedule and never on target. Or people keep complaining about your products and the services you render. What if you could get to the real reason behind these issues and prevent them from reoccurring? Here's the truth. If you don't fix the root, the problem will return a million times. Now, that's where the fishbone diagram, also called the Ishikawa diagram, becomes your secret weapon. Today, I will show you how to build a fishbone diagram the right way, how to dig past surface symptoms, and how to spot the real cause of the problems that won't just go away. I'll also walk you through real examples like a delayed project and a service failure so you can apply this immediately. By the way, I'm Ishikawa Ibrahim, and if you are ready, let's get started. The fishbone diagram is a visual tool for root cause analysis. It helps you break down a problem into possible contributing factors, grouped by category, so you can see the full picture. It's shaped like a fish skeleton. The head shows the effect, and that's the problem you are trying to solve. The bones branching off, they represent the categories of potential causes. Now, most people stop at the first cause they find. That's like treating the smoke and not the fire. The fishbone diagram lets you dig deeper and uncover the real issues beneath the surface. So if you want lasting solutions and not quick fixes, this tool is essential. Now let's break down the steps to perform a root cause analysis using a fishbone diagram. Start with a clear, specific problem statement. Now this goes at the head of the fish. And don't say things like, we have delivery issues. Rather, you should say things like 60% of customer orders arrive 3 or more days late. You see, the more focused the problem, the more effective your root cause analysis will be. Draw a straight horizontal line. This is the spine. Then draw 4 to 6 diagonal branches. These are your major cause categories. Like in manufacturing, they use the classic 6 M's, that is, people, methods, machines, materials, measurement, and mother nature. But you can adapt to your content. Like in IT, you might use things like software, users, processes, data, and hardware. Under each category, brainstorm potential causes. You can ask your team what's contributing to this problem. For example, under people, it could be inadequate training, low morale, or high turnover. Keep asking what else and don't stop too soon. Go wide before you go deep. Now go deeper. Take each cause and ask, why is this happening? Here's a sample chain of questions. Let's say we have late deliveries. You can start by asking, why are deliveries late? Now the response might be, because drivers don't follow optimized routes. Why not? Because the GPS isn't functioning. Why? The subscription expired. Why? No one got a renewal reminder. But why? There's no process owner for each subscription. Boom! That's the root cause. Not the driver, not even the GPS. It's a broken ownership process. Now look at the entire diagram. Are there clusters of issues in one category or causes that appear in different categories? These are strong candidates for the root. Highlight or circle them and then go verify with data if possible. Now, take action. Design solutions that directly address the root causes and not just the symptoms. Then monitor. Did the issue disappear or return? If it returns, then repeat the cycle or repeat the process. You see, root cause analysis is a cycle, not a one-off. Now let's take some real-world examples to show how you can identify root causes using fishbone diagram. Let's say we have manufacturing delay. Now in your fishbone diagram, you might have the problem to be custom chairs are delayed 5 days in production. Now, the cause might be from these areas. 1. People. Maybe workers are not trained on new machines, or the process, no updated standard operating processes, or machines, the cutter in the machines are not maintained, or materials, new wood batch is warped, or measurements, no defect tracking system, or even the environment, weekly power outages. Now, the root causes identified are training gap, unmaintained tools, and no proactive defect tracking. Let's assume we have online retail customer complaints. In your fishbone diagram, the problem might be 40% of orders arrive wrong. Now, the causes might be from the people. Maybe the team is understaffed, or process, no barcode scanning, or technical, system syncs only twice a day. It could be materials, missing packing slips, or measurements, no accuracy checks. Now, the root cause identified are outdated systems, weak process, and lack of controls. The following are best practices that I will encourage you to use whenever you are faced with problems that require analysis. 1. Use Fishbone Diagram as a team tool because diverse inputs leads to deeper insight. 2. Go multiple levels deep. Don't just stop at the first why. Use 5 whys for each cause. 3. Focus on systems and processes, not on individual blame. 4. Visualize it. Use whiteboards, sticky notes, or tools like Miro and Lucid Chart. Now here's the bottom line. If you only fix the symptom, the problem will come back. But if you fix the root, it disappears for good. You see, fishbone diagrams helps you find the root clearly, visually, and effectively. So next time when something goes wrong, don't panic and don't guess, just fishbone it. I want you to tell me, what problem will you fishbone next? If you find this helpful, I want you to like, share, and subscribe. This will enable the channel grow. Thank you for your time and bye-bye.